Hello, today we will guide you through how to add beats in CapCut PC. To get started, open the CapCut app on your computer. Once the program launches, make sure you're in your editing workspace and ready to build your project. If you already have a project open, you can continue there. If not, simply open a new project so you have a clean timeline to work with. Next, drag your sample video into the timeline. This gives you the visual clip you'll be syncing with your music beats. Place it on the main video track and make sure it's positioned where you want the edit to begin. Having your video on the timeline first makes it much easier to line up audio and visual changes later. After that, look to the top left area of the screen and click on Audio. This section is where CapCut lets you browse and add music, sound effects, and other audio elements. Since we're focusing on beats, this is where you'll access the tools you need to bring rhythm into your edit. Once you're in the audio section, scroll down until you find the beats section. Depending on your screen size or layout, you may need to scroll a bit to locate it. Take your time here and make sure you're in the correct area, because this section is specifically designed to help you work with beat-based audio more efficiently. When you find it, search for a sample beat audio track. After locating the audio you want to use, drag that sample audio onto the timeline beneath your video. This creates the foundation for your rhythm-based edit. Make sure the audio is placed at the right starting point so the beat markers will match the section of music you actually plan to use. Finally, click on Auto Mark Beat. CapCut will analyze the audio and automatically place beat markers along the track. These markers help you identify key rhythm points, which is especially useful when you want to cut clips, add transitions, or time visual changes to the music. If the analysis takes a moment, that's normal, especially with longer audio files. Once the beat markers appear, you're ready to start editing your video in sync with the music. This feature can save a lot of time and helps create smoother, more polished edits. That's all it takes to add beats in CapCut PC, and now you can use those markers to make your video feel more dynamic and professional.